100%. You want a beginner-friendly car that's not too fast but not slow. All-wheel drive could be nice. A lot of cars are either front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive. It depends on the price point. What are you looking for? And if you're happy with the vehicle, that's what's important. Your parents want you to be happy. As your instructor, I want you to be happy. Go straight, because you're going to be the one driving that car for the next 5, 7, 10 years. Go slow, take your time. Turn on left turn signal down. Nice. The street coming up. Now get his in. Yes, right here. There you go. And then at this street, you're going to make a left. So what she's doing, she's going to go up. Now make your left turn. Good. Turn that wheel. Nice. Go down to the stop sign. It'll be a 4-way stop. Actually be, oh, look at the lights. Come on. Hey. Christmas time. Oh, I'm sorry. After you stop, make a left. Turn on left turn signal. Left is down. Turn on that blinkers. It's okay. So she's going to pause. So you want to stop. This is a 3-way stop. You're here first. Make your left. Nice. Turn now. Go slow. Good. Beautiful job. And a lot of downtown areas have this Christmas theme going. You know, makes people feel good. They want to spend money and, buy things. And you're doing good. Got the Christmas trees here. Good. Keep driving. Excellent. You're doing great. Take it all the way down to the stop sign. After you stop, you will make a right turn. Proceed. And sometimes students hit that brake instead of the gas, so I need to be patient and support my students. Turn on your right turn signal. Up. Go all the way up more. And stop. Here, see your check? Good. Roll forward. And watch what she's doing. Now turn, hand over hand. Turn. Yes. That's it. Good. Now turn out. Hey, that was good. After you stop, make a right. Every instructor's different. Some turn hand over hand, hand to hand. We're in the United States. The National Safety Highway Transportation System says hand over hand is best for these low speed. Pause. So you're look left and right. Roll forward. Now turn. Turn. Yes, there you go. Beautiful. Nice job. Good. Good. Go down to the stop sign. After you stop, make a right. Remember, the goal is to make you